I can't imagine truly wanting to quit something and not being able to quit. I can't imagine it. Like, when I talk to people who say, I want to quit smoking, I say, when? They go, oh, well, soon. But that means you don't want to quit. You want to keep smoking for a while and quit later. I can't imagine a mind frame or a mindset where I want to do something and can't do it. Because if you have that kind of mind, if your mind is so fundamentally broken that you cannot do with your own mind what you want to do, right? You know, like that, then you're just fucked. If you cannot control your own mind, then you are just a feather in the wind of life. Because your own mind is the only thing you can control. You can't control the weather. Right. You can't control other people. You can't even control whether your heart stops beating. You might have a heart attack tomorrow. You can't control anything besides what you think. If you cannot control your own mind, then you go through life with zero control, zero influence. You can't control anything. You're just a feather in the wind, waiting for life to blow you from happy place to sad place to happy place to sad place, completely hoping on the gods to be fortunate to you, because if any genuine discomfort comes your way, you're fucked. It is trained like everything else in life. It is trained. So if you find yourself not appreciating what you have until it's gone, then you must blink and cure your brain. If you find yourself unable to focus or concentrate on tasks, you must blink and cure your brain. If you find yourself unable to go and dedicate yourself to something you don't want to do, you must blink and cure your brain. Because all of our minds have been under constant assault for years. The way the mind functions, the way people interact, has changed so significantly in the last 10 years you wouldn't believe. Because everybody's fucking distracted. They're getting distracted by this, distracted by that, watching fucking Netflix, jerking off to Pornhub like fucking jackasses. It's so easy to win if you can control your own mind. But it seems that nobody fucking can. It gets to a point where you finally must accept the reality that your physicality and your mentality as a man are linked, and you cannot be happy and strong in your mind if you are weak in your body. You need to have a strong body to have a strong mind as a man. There's no way to escape it. And that's one of the reasons why I preach so much about training, learning to fight, get in the gym, get bigger, get stronger. You will fix your mind if you fix your body. You should be as strong as you possibly can. We're now teaching the new generation of men that they don't have duty and they can just act on their feelings and act how they feel, and they don't have to act as a man should. Do you know what happens when you get men who just act how they feel? You get school shooters, you get violence, you get rapists. Men who do not control their emotions are dangerous. If you find a man who is stoic, he's not going to hurt people. He's going to sit and think about his actions very carefully, and he's going to be a good man who protects and provides for his family. You find a man who just acts out on impulse and does whatever he feels like, you're going to find a dangerous man. Sitting here telling men to cry more and act with their feelings, and it's okay to feel this way, that way, etc., and have no self-control. That is why we have the problems we have in the world.
Hey, Andrew, so how do I get like a six-pack quick? What's the fastest way to get a six-pack?
Why does it have to be quick? Why does it have to be easy? Why do you think life is all quick and easy? Why can't it be hard and difficult? Why can't you suffer? Because suffering is what gives it value. If everyone had a six-pack and it was quick and easy, then it wouldn't be valuable, would it? If everyone walked around with a six-pack and they got it easily, then no one would give a shit. The whole point is that it's difficult to get. Value is linked to difficulty. If you want something that is valuable, you need something which is difficult to obtain. The fact that you just said you wanted it quick and easily shows that your whole mental model is fucked. You shouldn't be thinking about quick and easy. You should be thinking about hard, suffering, pain, going through it. That's what you should be thinking about. This is going to be hard, but I'm going to do it anyway. Because when it is done, then everyone's going to know that I went through something difficult. The bad things that are happening to you are what you need to become the man that you want to be. Someone emails me and says, this has happened to me. I'm like, good. No, what do you mean good? It's terrible. How else are you going to become important? How else are you going to find endless fire to get up and struggle in the face of the competition that's out here? How else are you're going to do all that with a nice, cushy life? If any man's honest with himself, think about the biggest transformative stages in your life. Think about the times you got the most work done. It was a bad part of your life. You were heartbroken, or you lost a house, or broke, or whatever. That's when you did shit. When everything was fine, when the woman's still sucking dick, the mortgage is paid, dinner's on time, it's kind of doop-de-doop-de-doo, little by little, do a little bit of work, do a little bit of relax. But the big events come from trauma. This is it. So it's a cheat code. It's a cheat code to climb the mountain. So when I get a message from whoever and he goes, My wife left me, I'm devastated. I say, I understand. I completely understand how hard it can be to lose a woman that you've given your entire life to. And you've done so many nice things. And then because of one thing you did, her innate and absolutely insane level of ungratefulness has turned her bitter, and she now talks to you like she hates you over one thing you've done after thousands of efforts showing how dedicated you are to her. And even now that you're prepared to die for her, she doesn't give a shit about you. I understand that pain. But my answer is, good, it's still good. Now take all of that pain, and instead of emailing me, do this. We live in a comfortable world now where people think, oh, it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. But you know what? To some degree, it does matter. It does matter, and I'll tell you who it matters to. It matters to your soul, and it matters to God. I stand in the mirror with a pure heart. I know I am the best version of me that could possibly ever exist. I know that God is proud of me. There's nothing that God hates more than sloth and laziness. If God were to create a man and that man were to sit around and do fuck all, God will frown upon you. It's why you're never lucky. If you're listening to this and you think I'm never lucky, I'll tell you why, because God dislikes you because you're fucking lazy. Start to work. Start to show God the beauty of his own creations. You'd be amazed how lucky you'll become. God is unhappy with these people. And inside their hearts, they're unhappy. We talk about depression, anxiety, all those things you mentioned earlier on this podcast. That comes from self-loathing. You loathe your own weakness. You loathe your own laziness. This is what all of these things are. I don't feel depression. How can I feel depression when I'm the most powerful version of me that I could ever fucking be? How can I feel depression when I could squeeze my own hand hard enough to break my own bones? How can I feel depression when I've smashed and destroyed 68 people's faces in front of me, men who thought they could test me in fair combat? How can I feel depressed? It's impossible. Do you understand? Every fucking day, I don't feel like doing things that I still do. It's called discipline. It's called being a man. It's not about feeling like doing it. If you only do things you feel like doing, you know what you end up doing?
What?
You end up sitting around with a belly, drinking soya fucking latte bullshit. That's what you end up doing if you only do what you feel like doing. You have to wake up and say, I don't feel like training, but I must train. I will stop being a loser. I will follow the word of Tate. You need to do what you're supposed to do, not what you feel like fucking doing.
Okay.
That's the difference between a man and a fucking child. You do not become a man doing what you feel like doing. You become a man doing what you're supposed to fucking do. The men on the Titanic didn't feel like dying that day. It's your duty. It is your duty to not be a fat piece of shit. But you fucking it up because of a lack of motivation. The world is hyper-competitive. If you're going to be a man who's going to sit and say, I'm just sad, you are always going to lose in competition to men like me. Yeah. And there has to be losers for there to be winners. I am tired of sympathy. Sympathy doesn't work for anybody. I'm not going to sit here and be sympathetic for people who say they're too sad to try hard and be their best. Guess what? Perhaps I was sad every time I did exactly what I was supposed to do and trained anyway. Perhaps I was afraid when I fought anyway. Perhaps I was tired when I worked anyway. This is how you get ahead in life. I don't have a fucking ounce of sympathy for these people who sit here and say, well, I feel this way, so I can't. Then don't do it. Stay down there. The winners are at the top, and the winners at the top don't give a shit about how they feel. We wake up and we perform regardless of how we feel day after day. So if I'm going to ignore my own feelings, I'm certainly not going to take into consideration anybody else's. Yeah. Why am I going to ignore how I feel and make sure I'm constantly performing regardless, flawlessly, and then sit and go, oh, but he doesn't feel good, so he's allowed to fuck up. No, you are not. You're not allowed to fuck up to your ancestors or to God or to yourself. You have to perform. Baseline of masculinity as a whole is the thing that makes a good man is that he does what he doesn't want to do. He doesn't want to work and he works anyway. He doesn't want to go to war and he fights anyway. He doesn't want to get up, he gets up anyway. That's the whole point of it. We didn't want to die in the Titanic. Guess what happened? We died in the Titanic. You can't sit there as a man and say you don't feel like it. You're not allowed to not feel like it. You're supposed to do it anyway, regardless. Yeah. So when a man sits there and says, oh, but you don't understand, I'm struggling with motivation. If you are struggling with the motivation to be a winner, then stay a fucking loser. No problem. Stay a loser. Don't care. Because in my circle, there's no losers around me. Your energy is disgusting. I find it revolting. I don't like weakness around me, even near me. Even people coming up saying hello to me. If you're depressed, don't even shake my hand. I do not have time for losers on any regard. Winners only. I find it amazing there are people out here today who are going to sit and say, oh, I'm sad, I'm too depressed, I don't want to work hard. Do you understand that only 200 years ago, there were peasants out working a field, starving, surviving the Black Death, surviving the plague, struggling to exist just to reproduce so that 200 years later you can be the end of their bloodline for you to sit on your ass and do fucking nothing. Like, you're a fuck up. You're fucking up your entire bloodline of your entire ancestry. You owe these people things. They went through hell for you to exist. You have a debt, you have a duty to pay. You have to be the best possible version of yourself. And the same to God. God loves people who try. God loves people who work hard. It's amazing if you try your very best all the time, what God will give you. He'll give it to you, anything you want, if you actually try. Not convincing yourself you try, actually try. They're different things. I do not feel like training, but I still train because I'm a disciplined individual. You don't get to go through life only doing the things you feel like doing. Do you know who gets to do that?
Women.
Beautiful women. Beautiful women get to do what they feel like doing. As a man, you have to do the things you're supposed to do. Because what we said earlier is absolutely true. It's player versus player. Now, if I wake up, I've already got this massive head start over you in life. Maybe every genetic gift, plus all my finances, plus my network. And I wake up and I decide, even though I don't feel like working, I'm going to work my ass off. And you wake up way down there, a peon, and you can't be bothered to work. What chance do you have against men like us? You don't stand a chance. You can't get the girl. We'll take the girl off you. We'll bankrupt your ass. We'll kick you out your house. You name it. You don't stand a chance. Now, if you're going to wake up and look in the mirror and understand that you're absolutely not crushable, that you're a rabbit, and that lions exist, and that's not going to motivate you to do something about it, then you're a lost cause. And there's no point asking us a question. You know exactly what you need to do. If you want to stay killable, then stay killable. But I can't live that way. I would refuse to live that way. It's a disgrace to my bloodline. It's a disgrace to my parents who struggled to raise me for me to be anything other than the best version of myself. That's honor. I have honor to my last name and to my ancestry. It would be disgusting for them all to have fought saber-toothed tigers so I can wake my lazy ass up, jerk off all day, and ask on YouTube how I can stop being a fucking loser. You understand where I'm coming from?
No, 100%.
So this is down to you, my friend. And listen, you may feel fired up for 10 minutes after this little talk, but you're not going to feel fired up forever. You need to put systems in place. You need to get discipline. And like Justin says, you need to get an atmosphere of people around you who are going to keep you accountable and not make it easy for you to continue to be a fucking nobody. And then you're going to fix your life. Otherwise, you're going to stay a nobody. I am absolutely and utterly a believer in hard work. I'm a proponent of hard work. I have all this money and all I do is work. My entire life is work. This podcast is work. I'm getting in the car and going to another meeting, work. I'm going to fuck a bitch, that's work. I'm going to go to the gym so I'm in good shape, work. It's all work. My entire life is work. And people don't want to look at life that way. They want to talk about work-life balance and being lazy and all this crap. I don't believe in any of that. I believe in if you want to win, you have to outcompete the man who's prepared to do nothing but work. It's player versus player. If you're going to sit there and go, I don't want to work more than an hour a day, well, the guy who does want to work more than an hour a day is going to beat you. And no matter how smart you are, there's always a smart dude who's doing the same smart work you are for more hours than you're doing it. That's just the nature of the game. I believe there's only 3 reasons people are not rich. One of 3 reasons. They're either stupid, arrogant, or lazy. Stupid is actually the smallest category. People think, oh, you know, there's a lot of stupid people. There are, but I know a lot of stupid people with a lot of money, right? There's so much money in it. To be too stupid to generate money, I think is less than 5% of the population. We're genuinely too dumb to ever make a good wage. Then you have arrogant and lazy, and these are the 2 most common. Lazy because people just, oh, you know, but I need time to myself. Oh, you know, but it's the evening. Or, you know, it's hyper competitive. There are people who do not need times to themselves. There are people, there's an Indian in Islam, or there's a guy in Islamabad who'll do your job online for $3 an hour and he doesn't sleep. You're gonna lose, right? So if you're gonna be lazy in any regard, you have to understand there are people like me who are billionaires who work 18 hours a day. When I finish this, I get into my car and I open my laptop and I work on my way to my next appointment. And I'm gonna work all night till the day I go. When I go to sleep, I close my laptop and I'm asleep a minute later. I work, that's all I do. So lazy is a big problem because people go, oh, but I just want to relax. If you just want to relax, that's fine. But you're competing against people who just don't want to relax and you're going to lose. And the last, and I'd say that's around, a lot of people have that element to them. A lot of people are lazy. That's about 50% of people. But the main reason people are not rich is because they're arrogant. 50% of people are brutally arrogant. And I'll give you an example. I have a school where I teach people how to make money online. It's called The Real World. What's called Hustlers University is now called The Real World. Go to realworld.ai. You can see it at CobraTube.com. I sit here as a billionaire. And I sit and say, I will teach you How to make money online, anybody, 18 modern wealth creation methods. It's $49 a month. And people will sit there in their brutal arrogance and as a brokey with no money and go, yeah, but can he really teach me? I have everything you've ever fucking dreamed of. I have all the money. You have nothing, and you're so arrogant that you believe you know more than me, or that you can do it without me, or that I don't know how to teach you. The arrogance of people is truly mind-bending. If you know so much, why are you broke? You obviously don't know. If I want to learn how to box, I wouldn't walk into a boxing gym, find a guy who can box, and go, yeah, you know, not bad, but can he really punch? Like, this is how people think when it comes to money. You guys are all successful enough. You can sit there and say, look, I do X, Y, Z. I have X, Y, Z. You don't have it. So do you want to learn how to play piano from the piano teacher, or do you want to sit there as an arrogant brokey? Most people are brutally arrogant. And you can sit there and you can try and help them, and they're just so arrogant. They think, oh, I can do it myself, or I'll work it out myself. I don't need help. And it's arrogance, and it keeps them at the bottom. Everything great that's happened to me in my life, someone taught me. I had a kickboxing coach. My dad was my chess coach. You get taught things. To sit there and think you're too good to learn. Well, this is the problem. Most people are broke. Most people are broke because they're arrogant. This is the truth. It's nothing to do with how stupid they are. They're just arrogant people. When I was broke, I couldn't sleep. I don't know how there's broke people out here sleeping just fine at night. Going, oh, you know, inflation's 20%, gas prices are 6 times, everything on the news is a lie, I never stand a chance of ever getting rich, where's my pillow? Like, what the fuck is wrong with you people? I'd go to bed at night as a teenager and think, I looked it up on the internet. It was a Honda Civic Type R. I wanted one. It was 38,000 pounds. I had no money. Less than 50 pounds on my bank account. Couldn't afford it. Then I looked up how much a Ferrari cost. 210,000 pounds. And I said to Tristan, my brother, I was like, there are people with 210,000 pounds for a car. And he's like, yes, so? I'm like, no, not so. How? If I worked my job for 6 years and saved every penny, if I walked to work and didn't eat, I couldn't buy this car. How are people doing this? I couldn't sleep at night when I was broke. I knew that everything was a lie. I knew the Matrix was lying.
Today we have the last day of the week, and it's up to us what we wanna do with that last day of the week. Do we wanna make this week a worse day, or do we wanna waste this day, or do we wanna put our work and so by looking at the 1 hour time frame, we did close above the range, but if we don't have the 4 hour candle close, we can go for the trade. But man, we have a 4 hour candle close, we need a bottom wick. So if this candle can come down, so let me see the 4 hour time frame. Oh, we have this rejection area here. Yeah, we can fill these wicks. Yeah, we can fill these wicks. That's it. And all we have to do is to wait for the 4 hour bottom wick, then we will go for the trade. So let me go to the 1 hour time frame. If we look at the 1 hour time frame, we can see this candle uh, this candle definitely close above this range. But if we go to the 30-minute time frame, we can see this rejection, a strong rejection area here. So that is why I was looking for candle to close above this range in this area, so I can take a buy. That would be my partial TP, 17, 18 pips, and that would be the final TP here. But this candle, whatever. So then I decided to, because now we don't have any range. Like if we take the trade above this candle high, we will have 6 pip range. So then I decided to take the trade above this range. So now I am waiting for the candle to close above the range. But we also have to remember that we need a bottom wick for the 15-minute, for the 4 hour candle. So we all know where we have our uh, where we have our buy stop buys, or where do we have our, oh, Yeah, here. So yeah, above this range, I am looking for the buys. Yeah, I really want to see this candle to come down, man, to create a bottom wick for the 4 hour candle, man. 4 hour candle is not a joke. We need a bottom wick. So, if we can get a bottom wick and then closure above the range, oh man, you can imagine where we have to go. That's it. So 30-minute candle. And I am looking for cells below this area. Below this area, we have good 28, 29 pip range. So let's see how it looks like. 30 minute, 15 minute. So that will be, this area will be the target for us. Let me uh, that will be the, that will be our potential cells. Mm, that's it. 15 minute. Wow, looking good. And let me do one more thing. This is no trade range. Potential cells are here. So, all right. So we have a break-even point upside. If this 15-minute candle can close bearish, that should be good. Yeah, that should be good. One more thing. Yeah, I'm looking for candle to close below the range so I can take a buy. I can take a sell. This is no trade range. I think we can remove this line because now this is irrelevant. Oh, fuck off. Oh, wow. Also remove that stuff. So, yeah, potential cells are below this level. We have 1 minute. No, I think, yeah, 15 minute candle close. It close bullish. No problem. Absolute no problem. So, yeah, we all know we need a bottom wick for the 4 hour candle. We need a bottom wick, man. We are running from the bottom of the range. Now we are pushing up. This last 15-minute candle was like odd candle, like 30 pip candle without any reason. 30 pip candle without any reason. So, yeah, man. Ah, GJ. So, we have done our analysis on that would be the partial TP area. I think that will be the full TP area, not the partial TP. And what was that? Oh, that was the daily candle open. And we don't have any bottom wick, I think. Oh man, yeah, we don't have any bottom wick for the daily candle. So we are looking for potential sells below this area. So that means if we get the closure below the range, that means we will go down to create a bottom wick for the daily candle. So in that way, what can I do? Like, yeah, we can hold the trade, man. We can hold the trade a little bit. We can hold the trade a little bit. So let's see. Let's see, man. 30 minute. Can we see this 30-minute candle close bearish? So, man, this area is on the 30-minute time frame and is on the 15-minute time frame. So we can't like just neglect this area. And one more thing is we do have a news. We do have a news. So let me take this to this break even point. uh, Visualization parameters 12 done, uh, and partial TP. So and we also have a news in about 40 minutes. Yeah, we have a news in 40 minutes, so that is why I'm not touching GJ at all before that news. We all know, like, yeah. And one thing I really know is if we can get a closure below the range, n- if we can get the closure below this range, we have a clean range 30 pips, 28 pips, and we have furthermore range of 30 pips. So it's up to us, like, so yeah, GJ. But the thing is, they are looking for good numbers. Good numbers mean GJ has to go up. If GJ has to go up, where we can take the trade? Above this range, and I think we have 8 pips. Above this range, we have 9 pips. Above this range, we have, oh, this is like 19 pips. Above this range, we have like 14, 13 pips. So GJ is very odd, man. Look at this consolidation. Yeah, man. Look at this consolidation, man. So before the news, I'm not touching GJ. UJ. Let's see the UJ. 15-minute time frame. Oh man. Oh, all right. So we have this clean range of 37 pips. Yeah. Gold is not doing anything. Like we don't have any volume here. But mm, 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 mm. Yeah, we don't have any volume. So if we look at the last 22 minutes volume, this is 9 pips. 9 pip. We in the last 22 minutes we moved 9 pips. So maybe we get a bottom wick. Can we see a push towards the downside? Push, man. Yeah, push, push, push. Push towards the downside so we can get, yeah, one more push. And man, oh, gold is hesitant to break the low. Yeah, hesitant to break the low because it takes some energy to break the low. Oh, look at this, man. Look at this, man. So, yeah, no bottom wick. GJ is pushing down. UJ. Let's see the UJ. 30 minute. 30-minute time frame. Let's see. GJ, UJ. Clean range is below this level. That's it. This is 20 pip range, man. 20 pip also is not a very good range, but it is what it is, man. It is what it is. And last daily candle, oh, last daily candle was bearish. I think I have to look for some sells, good sells. Man, I was looking for Pakistan's match, but I don't know where can I find the match. Mm, gold. Oh, now you can see this. Now you can see this. Now you can see this. We break the low. We break the high first. We get now we are pushing up. Now we break. We stop out them. So this is the thing that I was looking for. Ah, maybe a little deep push down till this level. The little 9p push down so we can take a buy above this level. That would be good. GJ, man, I said this. They are looking for good numbers. Good numbers mean it has to go up. And we don't have any news for the UJ. 30-minute time frame is saying we are good above this range, but 15-minute is worse. And the worst thing is I can't find the Pakistan's versus New Zealand match live. I don't know where can I find the match. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, bro, bro. Ooh, 26 runs. Oh, 24 runs for 1 hour. Oh, peso fan full on. Bro, he smashed everyone. So let me see where can I find the match. So how to watch Pakistan? Yeah. So always viewer TapMad, iOS, Android, web. Alright. Oh, Tamasha is not working, man. How can I watch the match on Tamasha? Uh, TapMad. Let's see if Tap. Oh, TapMad is working. This content requires an active subscription. Please log in or subscribe. Fuck off, man. How can I not a subscriber? Basic rupees 100 rupees per month. Fuck off, man. One subscribe we can be deducted from your account in a monthly basis. This include IPL, 10 sport and other sports channel in you may cancel any time. 03326. Oh, I was calling my number. So subscribe now. They are saying, oh, oh, So yeah, guys, just wait 2 minutes. Let me take
picks up his first wicket in T20 cricket. It's a good one. Finn Allen on the way.
Beautiful delivery. Seen a number of slower deliveries here. Back of the hand, so it just dips, just holds enough. Really well deceived. Just played through his shot too early there. No mistake this time. Pakistan pick up their second wicket. What a special moment for that man, his first wicket. Finn Allen, he is done for 34, New Zealand 50 for 2.
Well, it was a good innings, but not long enough again. Couldn't get out of the power play. Nice piece of bowling from Buster Freedy. Finn Allen threw the shot way too early. Way too early. Daryl Mitchell.
All right, man. I got the match, and now I think, yeah, yeah, now I am good. I am good. I am good. So now I can enjoy the cricket match, and I can also enjoy the live stream, my own live stream. So, man, now we should be good. So, what I said, I said we need a bottom wick for the 4 hour candle. And if we come down, break the low, close below the range, I will go for a sell. I have no problem to take a sells. I have no problem to take a buy. All I'm waiting for my setup to shows up. Yeah, all I want just to my setup to shows up so I can take a trade. That's it. Yeah. GJ, we have to wait. UJ. YOLO USD kinda gives us a fake out. And also, I am looking for trade if we can get a 4 hour candle close above this range here. So let's go to the left hand side. Yeah. If we can get a 15-minute candle close, oh, not 15. If we can get a 4 hour candle close above this range, we should be good. Yeah, I think that would be good. Yeah. So, man, we are waiting, waiting, and waiting. So, let me tell you one more thing. On the news, they are looking for good numbers. Good numbers mean gold has to go down. So, that is why we may see. We may see a move towards the downside, and if we can get the closure below the range, we will go for a sell. We will go for a sells. Yeah. Let's see, man. Oh, GJ, I think GJ has to go up. Yeah, we may take a buy if, let me see the GDP news. How the numbers come. Uh, oh, Friday. Oh, 12th. What the heck is this? Uh, where is GBP news numbers? Man, I can't find. Today is the 12th. Let me see that thing on my laptop. Where is economic calendar? Hmm. All right. So yeah, I got it. I got it. Uh, I am looking for. Ah, I am looking for the news GDP minus 3.2 minus 3. All right, so here is the news that I am looking for, month of month. Yeah, that's it. Industrial production here. So yeah, we have 13 minutes left for the candle to close. Yeah. So I am thinking it may go down because they're looking for good numbers. Good numbers mean it has to go down, and if we can get the closure below this range, we have 22, 23 pip range here, and we can also look for a daily bottom wick. And if the numbers came out of the ordinary, then I can go for a trade. Yeah, I can go, like if the numbers came like they are looking for 0.2%. If the numbers came ah, if the numbers came 0.4%, 0.5%, or if the numbers came 0.9%, 0.8%, I'll go for a sell. If the numbers came minus 0.9%, minus 0.6%, minus 0.7%, then I'll go for a sell. Yeah, if the numbers came positive, I'll go for a buy. If the numbers came negative, I'll go for a sell. That's it. That is it. So yeah, it's all depends on the numbers, how the numbers came. Oh wow. Wow. Ah. GJ, UJ, your rule. Nothing. Nothing we can do here. Ah. Nothing we can do here. R. Mm. Beautiful. 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 Oh, oh, oh. Oh, we dropped the half a chance. Oh, no, no, that wasn't the catch. That wasn't the catch. So, ah, I'm taking the milk, man. I'm taking the milk. Ah, बहुत प्रभावित किए हैं. All right. So, man, what we are looking for? GJ, looking for buys, looking for sells on the news, and on gold. We have to wait for the candle to close, either to close above this range, either to close below this range, because this is no trade range, man. This is no trade range. Ah. I mean, yeah. Hmm. So, oh man, we have too much fans in New Zealand. Oh, ho, 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 ho. We need a candle to close above the range. Hmm. Fuck off. कुत्ते दा बच्चा. So, 1 minute time frame. Can we take the trade on 1 minute time frame? I think we can. Abhijit Sonali, hello. Atif Jahangir, hello. Hello, hello, man. Hello. Yeah. Hello, hello. So, man, let's see. We have to wait. We have 7 minutes left for the candle to close.
हाँ बेटे सुना कैसा है वो मुझे तेरा वो याद आ गई बात कि तू कह रहा था कि मैं हफ्ते को आऊंगा और मिलेंगे वो सीन ये है कि कल सुबह मैं तकरीबन 8 बजे चला जाऊंगा यूनिवर्सिटी और 1:30 बजे तक आऊंगा वापसी क्योंकि कल मेरे 2 लैब्स हैं तो उसके फौरन बाद फिर मैं जिम चला जाऊंगा तो आज तो अगर जल्दी आ सकता है तो आ जा नहीं तो फिर भाई देख ले ये सीन है वरना फिर मे भी हो सकता है कि नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट वीक जो मंडे से स्टार्ट हो रहा है ना उसमें मैं 2-3 छुट्टियां लूँ क्योंकि पेपर आ रहे हैं ना आगे फाइनल तो पिछली बार मिड्स में मैंने 3 छुट्टियां इकट्ठी ले ली थी तो 2 दिन मेरा पेपर होगा बाकी दिन मेरे फ्री है फिर
चल सही है, तेरे मिड्स के बाद मिलते हैं। मिड्स के बाद मिलते हैं। अभी ओके हो गया फिर। अभी हमको मैच देखने दो मुन्ना भैया, हमें तंग ना करो अभी। पाकिस्तान को पहले खड़े हैं और तुम्हें इधर है लैब की पड़ी हुई है और टेस्ट की पड़ी हुई है। कुछ पाकिस्तान का सोच नहीं रहे तुम। या ओह फक ऑफ। चल सही है जानी, मिलते हैं अपन। अपन मिलते हैं। अपन मिलते हैं तेरे मिड्स के बाद मिलते हैं। So today is Friday. Today is Friday, and we all know this is the last day of the week. Uh, GJ spreads are good, not too bad. Uh, Spreads are good. Yeah, yeah. I think this should be good. Yeah, this should be good. Gold. I am anticipating if the maybe the numbers come negative. Yeah, I am anticipating maybe the numbers came negative. This could also happen. Yeah. If the numbers came negative, it has to go down. If the numbers came positive, it has to go up. So, yeah. 3 minutes left for the news. Gold, we have nothing. Yeah. 3 minutes left. So we all know how much time left. 2 minutes. Oh man. Oh Lord Singh. Oh man, that should be the catch. Oh no. Yeah, if the numbers came positive, will go up. If the numbers came negative, yes. Uh, yeah, I have to look at this number GDP. Let's see how the numbers came. How the numbers came. We have 1.5 minutes left. We have 1.5 minutes left. Let's see how the numbers came. how the numbers came. 1 minute left. 1 minute. 1 minute. So can we see a bad numbers? Can we see a really good numbers? If the numbers came really bad, I'll go for a sell. If the numbers came really good, I'll go for a buy. If the numbers came even, so I will just let it go. I will just let this thing to go. So yeah. Oh man. Uh, numbers came good. Numbers came good. I think it has to go up. Numbers are good. Yeah, numbers are good. Let's see, man. So this is the trade that I took on the numbers. If the numbers are good, it has to go up. This is like nothing, man. This is like numbers are not really good, but still numbers are good. So yeah, numbers are not really good, but they are still good. So this is just a short that I am trying, and we all know we don't count the news trades in our streaming record. We took 2 wins on the news before, and we don't count that. And I think we are just ranging. Yeah, man, we are just ranging, no volume, closing the trade. Oh! Oh! This shit is pushing up. The numbers are not really good, not really bad. So that is why I cut my trade here. On the break even. Oh. 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 Man, city. Numbers. 442. My entry was 442. Yeah. Nothing we can do here, man. Yeah. Nothing. Nothing we can do here. Oh. It also have a little impact on the UJ. Yeah, we did nothing, man. That was like just 3 points, 0.3 pips. So yeah, man, I cut the trade at break even, but maybe we see. I don't know, man. I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea. Let's see, man, how we can approach in this session. And I think, yeah. Wait a minute, guys. Not wait a minute, but I think I can speak with you because I have my mic with me. Oh man, do I'm looking fresh? I think I am. Ah, so yeah, back to the work. Man, numbers are good. I still think GJ may go up, may go up, may go down because we can't predict the markets. So yeah, numbers were like not really good, not really bad. So I just cut the trade at break even, and now all we have to do is to wait for the candle either to close above the range or to close below the range. Numbers came same like Raja Banks. Yeah, man, same. Because I learned everything from Raja Banks. That is why this is same. If you learn from the best, you can be the best. So this is the thing that I'm doing. Oh, 6, 4, 4, 6, 6. Bold, no ball. Oh man. So yeah, my charts always look like Raja Banks, and I take it as a compliment. Yeah, I always take it as a compliment. So yeah, if we can get the closure below this range, we should be good to go down. Should be good to go down. If we can get the closure above the range, should be good to go up. Yes. Tamaki Makwara. I don't know what is this, but man, they are smashing 10 overs, 99 runs. Oh, bhai saab. Oh, bhai saab. What a shot. What a shot by Daryl Mitchell. I still think if it, yeah, man, I just closed the trade because of no movement. Oh, let me tell you one thing, guys. Yesterday I took a trade on gold. Oh, fuck off. I took a trade on gold. Trade history, trade history. Oh, look at this, man. I think yesterday I took only one trade. Uh, Only one trade. Yeah, man, I was looking for this trade. I don't know why I didn't took this trade. This kind of first break the low, then came up, and man, that was a beautiful trade. Look how was this candle? That was 100 pip candle, man. I secure I think maybe 34 pips, 35, 34, 35 pips here. And you can also see like that wasn't the buy stop sell stop trade. That wasn't the buy stop or sell stop trade. Let me show you this. Look at this. That was a news candle. I didn't see the numbers. I didn't took the trade. Didn't see the number. Didn't took the trade. Didn't see the numbers. When I see the numbers, numbers came extremely positive. I took a trade. I get into this trade. Oh man, they are smashing. What I did, there was a time when I was in a drawdown of 43 pips, and I have my stop loss here above this on the flip of this candle. flip of this candle. I was with my friends. I was eating pizza. I don't wanna like focus too much on the charts. There was a time and I was up 46 pips, and when I see this candle is rejecting, I close the trade. After that, it came down. That is, yeah, that is whole another case. So gold, gold, gold. So that was the yesterday trade. That's it. And that when this kind of came up, I said to my friends, "Hey man, I have no problem because I know this is the 15-minute candle top wick for the 15-minute candle." So yeah, let's go to the streaming account. Gold is pushing up. Can we take any trade here? Yeah, we need a candle to close above this range. Oh man. So today Pakistan have to do some extraordinary work to win this match. Yeah man, it requires too much work to put in to get the upper hand in this match. So yeah man, maybe this candle close above the range and we will go for the trade on the next candle. We will go for the trade on the next candle. And yeah, can we take a trade? So man, we want this candle to close above the range or below the range. Oh, oh, man, he is too good, extremely good. So yeah, we have to wait. And man, listen, one thing, we can't force the trade, man. One day I forced the trade and took a loss. Now I'm not here to force the trade. If we don't get the opportunity in the whole month, it's up to the markets, man. Catch. Oh. Oh man, they are looking to smash us 240 runs. 240 runs. धी चौथ एक भी काम दी ball नहीं मारी. And he didn't play even a one shot. Oh, he's out. He's out now. But man, he did his job. He did his work. He did his work. He does the job. Now, yeah, he does the job, man. Oh. So, we have nothing on the charts, but I have something. So yeah, this thing can go up because if we look at the numbers, but the problem is a trend. Trend is pushing down. So yeah, let's see, man. Oh, his strike rate is amazing. His strike rate is amazing. So 15 minute candle close a doji. So doji candles mean no volume, and we also know we have no volume here. Yeah, we don't see any volume here. And one thing is for sure, we got a bottom wick for the 4 hour candle. Got a bottom wick. Yeah, we got a bottom wick. JJ, nothing. Nothing we can do here. So, mm, let's see, man. Oh man, he's our lion. He's our king. He is the conqueror. The only one and only the great Babar Azam. So we have nothing on the charts, man. So that is why we are just struggling to get the trade. Man, I don't know why we don't have the volume. Why we don't have the volume? This kind of close above this range. شكرا الحمد لله. شكرا الحمد لله. اه let's see. Oh, that was wide. Oh man, they smashed him very badly. 38 runs in 3 overs. Smashed him very badly. Protection, 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 protection. Uh, can we restrict them under 200? If we can, that would be good. Yeah, if we can restrict them under 200, that would be the good thing to do, man. Or oh man, Jod. Oh fuck. भाई साहब ई मरेंदे खड़न समझदे कुछ कहनी देखो तो सही wow beautiful yeah very tough man so let's see what happened on the chart JJ UJ nothing is looking good if we can get a closure above the range then we can take a trade otherwise no trade no trade we don't have any trade here we have 9 minutes left for the 30-minute candle to close and oh 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 11 15 runs man 56 runs and they are looking for 240 runs they are looking to they are looking for 240 runs target Ah! And we had Naseem Shah. I don't think. I don't know where he gone, man. He was the greatest, not just greatest of Pakistan team. Oh man, this is not good stuff from my Pakistan team. Oh, so wait a minute. Let me pick the cucumber so I can eat some stuff. Nah, bro, they are smashing every ball. Ah. Oh, yeah. 5 minutes left for the 30-minute candle to close. Yeah, can we stick them under 200? We have nothing to do here. Nothing. Yeah, look at this level. Strong level, strong level, strong level, strong level, extremely strong level, extremely strong level, extremely strong level. So, yeah, if this can come up close above the range, we can go for a trade. This is the only thing that I'm looking for. Can it close above the range? Last 1 minute candle. Yes. Let's see, man. Oh, all right, all right. Mm, let's see if we can come down for a top wick. Yeah. Let's see. And we need a bottom wick from the next candle. Bottom wick from the next candle because we can't afford this 35 pip stop loss. Yeah. We can. Oh, bottom wick. Man, no bottom wick here. No bottom wick. No bottom wick. Yeah. No bottom wick. We can't do anything. If we take the trade on the break of this candle high, this candle high is 37. If we take the trade at 90, we have 7 pip range. 6.5 pip range. For this wick rejection. Yeah. 6.5 pips away from this wick rejection. Very, very tough, man. If we take the trade above this candle high, 60, that would be like 10 pips, 10 pip area, but now we only have 10 pip area. Not even a 10 pip area. Stop loss is 22 pips. Very tough, man. Very tough. Yeah, man. Very, very tough. we enter in this trade, here will be the entry. We hardly take 4.5 pips. We can't do this, man. 4.5 pips. For just 4.5 pips. Look at this. Yeah. Nothing, man. Nothing. Believe me. We have absolute nothing. If you don't believe me, look at this candle. We took the trade here. Now we will be in a drawdown. Yeah. Yeah, man. Now we would be in a drawdown of, oh, now we would be in a drawdown of 20 pips. Yeah. So that is why I didn't get into this trade. Oh right, look at this, man. Or if this candle break the low of this candle, that means we stopped out. So yeah, man, I put my second mic. My first mic is not working now. Mm. Yeah. 1 minute left for the 15-minute candle to close. Oh, short. Hmm. Short. Ah, can we take a sell? Oh, 13 pips. From that 13 pips, we have to pay 1 pips in commission, 2 pips in spreads or slippage or stuff. Not a good idea to take this trade. Yeah, this is not a good idea, man. Believe me. So, if you don't have believe, if you don't have believe in me, just lose. Yeah, if you don't have believe in me, just lose, man. Yeah, if you don't have believe in me, lose, man. Oh, yeah, we can come down, man. We can come down. We have a support 9-10 pips away.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। यार जो पिक्स कोई बनाई थी अब्दुल्ला लोगों की आपने कोई ये पास हैं वो तो मुझे सेंड कर दें, शेयर कर दें। और ट्रेडिंग कर रही हैं, छोड़ दी, क्या कर रहे हैं आजकल? और आपकी डीपी मेरे पास क्यों नहीं से हो रही?
जी वालेकुम सलाम भाई, कैसे हैं आप? डीपी कैसे शो? आपका नंबर हर बार चेंज हो जाता है। तो मेरे पास तो ये नंबर सेव ही नहीं था। अभी सेव करूँगा तो डीपी हो जाएगी शो। बाकी ट्रेडिंग चल रही है, ट्रेडिंग तो कर रहे हैं। और पिक्स वगैरह वो नोमी के मोबाइल में बनाई थी। बाकी मैं उसे कहूँगा वो आपको पिक्स भी सेंड कर देगा। तो बाकी और कुछ नहीं, बस चल रही है। ट्रेडिंग कर रहा हूँ मैं, ऑन एंड ऑफ है लेकिन कर रहा हूँ मैं। ओह, mm, hmm, and so yeah, man, that is why I didn't get into the cells. So yeah, man. Yeah, man. Let's see. Like, oh, शीनू ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਕੁੱਟ ਪਾੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਅੱਧਾ ਕਰਤਾ So man, let's see. I'm here for 10 more minutes. If we don't get any opportunity, I'll call it a day. Yeah. If this candle can close below the range, that's it. If it's not, I'll call it a day. Yeah, I'll call it a day. ਭੈਂਚੋ ਇਸ ਨਾਲ ਤਾਂ ਦੂਜਾ ਫਰੀਦੀ ਚੰਗਾ ਸੀ 134 ਤੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਸੱਟੀ ਹੋਈ ਆ So man, people are getting crazy about companies who are paying So man, can this candle close below the range? Yeah. Previous 4 hour. Yeah, man. We need a candle to close below this range. Yeah, need a candle to close below the range. That is it. No other option. No other option. Yeah, man, that is why I didn't get into the sells. That is why I didn't get into the buys. Because there were no buys, there were no sells. Oh, what was that? What was that, man? Maybe that was 150. Oh shit. Oh, that hit top of the stump and oh shit, man. He's too quick. Now we need a candle to close above this range. Above this range. So let me see what do we have above this range. Yeah, above this range. Let me see the 30-minute time frame. Oh, fuck off. Yeah. Now we need candle to close. Oh. Yeah, we need a candle to close above the range. Why we have this partial TP? Because there was a rejection. If we close above the rejection, that means we will yeah, if this candle can close above the range, we will go for 120 runs. This is crazy. This is crazy. Isn't this crazy? Isn't this crazy? This is crazy. Haris Rauf, you can't do that, man. You cannot do that. Oh man, can we get a closure below the range? Very difficult. Can we get a closure above the range? Catch. That should be catch. Yeah, that should be catch, man. Yeah. So let me see. If we don't get the closure above the range, we will call it a session. Yeah, man. We will call it a session because today we have a Friday. I have to go for religious practices. $220. Can we beat the next two deliveries? If we can beat them next two deliveries, I think that is done. Mm, how is the 4 hour candle? Oh no, man, 4 hour is bullish. Can't take a sell. Ooh, what a pace, man! Where is their speedometer? They are not showing his pace. I think the speedometer is can't able to see his ball. Oh man, he is genuinely quick baller, real quick baller. Time to learn from him. Yeah. Oh, fuck off. Ooh, six. Oh. Oh man, highest score against the Pakistan. Yeah, man, there was a time and we have the opener Babar Azam, Rizwan. Oh, fuck off. They like to chase the big targets, but I don't think so. Today, someone can chase this target, man. This is too much. This is really too much. So let me see. Let me see. भाभी गे मुंह दिखाई to Rana. Rana calls 15 to ask their emergency government paid to visit you. You are the guest. Rana helped the nurse when he was. Oh man, people are so crazy. They always have some meme stuff. So yeah, man, looking like we don't have anything. Looking like we don't have anything here. Yeah, that was a pretty tough day here. That wasn't a tough day, man. Like, took the trade, that was a break even, and that was a news trade, so we don't count news trades in our record. Yeah, that is it. जे कोई शक नहीं करी शक नहीं. So one minute. Nothing. 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 So yeah, man, nothing. Nothing we can do here. That's it. That is it. Take care, guys. Take care.
Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kick me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it. I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it. I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. Cause you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Can't see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your